Hi, I'm Bill McKiegan, president of Dan D'Agostino Master Audio Systems. We're here at the 2024 Munich Hi-Fi Show. Always an exciting show for us. We always bring out new products. This year is no different. In our main series, the Momentum series, we have the Momentum C4 Preamplifier. C4 stands for complementary 4. It's a brand new circuit we're using in the input stage, has revolutionized the sound of that preamplifier. The audio chassis sits into its power supply through a foot system, which has the most direct, cleanest connection between the power circuits and the audio circuits. We've also added, for the first time in the Momentum series, an optional digital streaming package. So you have full streaming plus legacy connections as well, both Wi-Fi and Ethernet connection. And additionally, we've added a new remote system. It is a display on the remote that talks bidirectionally from the unit to the remote, and any changes are reflected in both sides. Phenomenal sounding preamplifier. We're going to start shipping that in July, and that is an exciting piece for our new Momentum series. Additionally, we've added a new platform to our lineup. It's called the Pendulum. It's the Pendulum Integrated Amplifier. Brand new piece that sits just below the Progression series and is a killer piece for systems that are a little bit on the smaller side. Still a powerhouse, 120 watts per channel to 8 ohms. It's 240 into 4 ohms and has everything in the package, meaning a full phono stage for moving coil cartridges, all kinds of loading options built in, but it also has a full digital package as well. So again, streaming built in, Wi-Fi and Ethernet, optical connection, and for the first time, we've added HDMI with enhanced audio return channel. For those systems that have a TV involved, easy connection from the TV and feeding that audio into your integrated amplifier. We're looking to ship that in September, and it should be a very exciting year. We'll have all this on our website shortly, so please check it out at dandagostino.com.